about attention TV nyina ye nim Angel FM presenter baako afiri mu na sesi ano kwan ya ye ofa so wu ye de ye nyanya mu nchiremu ye ne nyina ne se woda sorry ya na se ye bowura ne dem no na wada ne se bi emu edadem ho a ye nim so bi ne be mia ne kon se ono na waka na nu aduro se akronfo ne be ekun ne dia sesi de nye nyemu nchiremu ne mo ne ekoso a ye Angel FM fo epie mu ho ne ne ekokokoso ne amane ebo abusuafo e de bo Angel no bi na ye de beso ma ye ntimra
na me nyoke
yeah the way I ure mu no kra no yeah
because me okay anamboa
yes
but ye besi bia ye besi bia ye
you be see bia
last Saturday mani hu ade a I don't wish so obia be hu bi wi aseda me nua me yonko pa I'll die I'm sorry
oh so the nyina ekoda bi o so no nyina ekoda
ngoko na form
but ade chenye no
ena form mame ya gentle na da afidie no so no ya gentle da ya I'm sorry that day that my entire life I can never forget. I'm fire home from so family. On Tuesday, actually, it started from the day that Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, a free press, no, on cry. You call media engagement on cry. Me pon a free engagement, Nasi me ba me car hono. Na ya gentle jina me car hon try me. Me con cry bia. He knows I cry very well. Into on the dominant. Me pon a free one more no. Me ba me car hono jina ho e try me na me say ojo. And then nyina me nidi na me pe salad. Baby a menya salad yem fa sani manima no o chirem baby say yenko chika say na ya na jobe no chimu no nkromo no de me call ho but na say edi salad ewie ene e buy me hotel eno no ka say ni ono kofi o china pa oja me ho no call the following day eno sign buy na me ne no that time na Abraham Pane kwame jesu da different hotel ni nyina ihia ko ye niam bi kaka na ewie na se o na nyina empa ba bi ntra na yedi ba bi na yedi wie na traka mu di nkomo abesi hotel na ya castle okufi. That was the very last time I didn't know I was going to see my friend. Man who anhagino that was the very last time sana menini di edi ntitimu wo ka no say okay ne ye be se ahia because na obeba abesia ko program bi osunyan. I didn't know that was going to be the last time. And nti menene di ntitimu no I bad the following day back Kumasi oho an of frame eba weekend mu say oh wa ba na okosunyan nam say okay o free sunyan a oba back no that was last week Tuesday twemi o chane na woche Tuesday no na me of gospel general na na frame ojo mababe draw so I'm frame K or frame ojo mababe draw na me say oh okay okura ka say eh ma hun nyema bi o Facebook amanfo ha me wo ho na me no ye de yesere ni ade a me wa beji me shelf the common ekika ansem na ne yesere Tuesday ma come baby ma jaya ko ono so ko de oye Wednesday man tenenka me call baby ko ye ade kakra ma wie bibia ma ba me wo fie me te me hwe movie kate adonko kate FM me pick phone me pick no say bra you on conference call nam say aden kate no say obi can say bi kire me na tie no na nka me ba be frɛ okay no problem nipa no ebo me din bra kwa me ayi me na frɛ me say me te me ni agent net no bi me te nka kire nam say oh yes Wednesday Tuesday no na me no kasa ba me te nka bi o me no ewuma ti masa 3-4 days no bi ante yongo ka because ye nya hassle what you say ewuma oyo na oyo tu check up on nua na frɛ me bi was my friend hey Jimmy sa wet na use sa na use what you say na me ma ye no e bia Jimmy he na wo nti wo bra pani nka no unim so be for phone afre ya like ya gasanse nti guy no friend no say the last that they saw him no was that same Tuesday now of friend no was the last time move your but nim say what does all concran on concran and ni phone you off nam say yaw gentle there be your phone go off yaw you cannot be rich busy or it's on another call so phone nyama me we and your phone catch just cannot be richer it could be a network problem ebia no ko be ebia no busy ebia na in the process of using the phone call waiter just will be online also the one I'm say on train na me farm phone na me free out na your phone here off first second one there off me first one there off na me yam shame I say no kaja kwanza fie no say I won fie ho na say me ba o na me wife you two car make us na abo na jo be 9 Saturday me kono na me ka say no mommy and friend brother and the brother say hey, my bill number for the past 2 days sasa me fro me tunu ananka that was his brother my bill number sasa me fro for the past 2 days me tunu ananka so apparently oh he no show fie na me say me ba me call ifie nti me driving straight to omufie ewo Udru Sofula baby a chicken man one a chiro hope me drive you see azana me do no one frɛ mu nua baba konso abeka ho do na ya ma me start so bisa me tanko adan bi na si tanko me ka no ma me na start so so ma bibia nsi yo nkra na manya na me kwa akɔhwehwɛ baby a me nua no wo bibia nsi botre me confirm me bi e hona na me frɛ guy no sɛ me sɛ na on pe carpenter ni bi ma me sɛ odi ombo punu no ma na sɛ onye bibia odi ombo pe carpenter ni bi ma me so report ma me sɛ Bryce e te cent kakra bi free ni dem ho na me say sa wo de mon twɛn me ye ho nyina no ye ka se obi nso no gu ejemu a I was in that position ye ka se obi enne no ho like you're going but I was driving but I was not driving me where I didn't know where I was but not because a lot was going through my mind rather than what the moment to say or Togo just I was just and time me could do fear in the company of next sister and then a brother and you do fear you do fear no ufan mpuma janza na wako ampa utwa na wote bu adie and a cat door nankasa umusan bu door one person na me hwe we me dia me hwe mu a majira wa hwe was my mother and that was it not even my father my mother that was it me hwe mu piada but I said to myself this one I need to confirm because omu bu punu nani na guy ba ku pie no pie dem ti and hey ya gentle wana me bura dem wo pam ko na mnua na da ho lifeless the body could have started decay it means there some days and I did see and see it was a sight that I have never seen in my life. It was a sight that I don't wait for even my worst enemy. I was looking at the lifeless body of this young man, only with the boxer shorts on. Gone. K? Shouted, K? Ojo? Jimmy? Because those were the words that we used. This guy didn't respond.
Update be a beba efa presenter we ni wo no attention TV for. Ye ni ba be so ma twentua.